Hello students, are you failed in today's CA results? If yes, then watch this video. First of all, accept the fact that you failed in September 2025 exam. My dear students, just remember the nature of CA course is like that. Hardly maximum 20% may pass. That though very high. That means out of 10 students who are writing, maximum 2 students are getting qualified. And if you get failed in CA exams, that is not something super special. It is very natural. Lot of factors will influence. The CA course was structured like that. Even though you get aggregate, if you get less than 14 one subject, you will not pass. Even though you get more than 40 in each subject, if you do not get aggregate, you will not pass. You have to write entire group. So the nature of course was like that, like it keeps multiple limits. Only if you achieve all the limits, then only you will qualify, otherwise you will not pass. So many students from afternoon onwards, they are asking me, sir, like we have failed in the exam, what to do, what's next? So after speaking with multiple students from afternoon onwards, I decided to do this video. First of all, please don't get discouraged. You will definitely become CA. If not this attempt, next attempt. As long as you do not give up, you will definitely qualify CA exam. Write somewhere CA Umasankar, CA Rajesh, like that CA with your name, write somewhere. Definitely you are going to achieve your dream. It's just timing difference. Just time is getting delayed, but definitely you are going to become a chartered accountant. What has happened has happened. I don't want to talk about how you studied, what are the reasons why you have failed, all that, please keep it away. Already time is over, past is past, we can't do anything. From now onwards, what can we do? Our target is January 2026 exams. How to hit the target? What happens is, today our heart will be very heavy. Likewise, 2-3 days it will be heavy. From 4th day onwards, we will lose motivation. We will get distracted. Distractions are killing us. Again, we will chill and write January 26 exams. Again, when results of January 26 exams comes, same will get repeated. So at least let us stop that viscous cycle right now. From today onwards, let us plan in a scientific way and let us start doing the preparation. Our target, January 2026 exam, at least you should definitely qualify. So I have few suggestions for the students who could not clear this attempt and who are aspiring to qualify in January 26 exams. First one, if you have qualified one group, okay. If you did not qualify both the groups, for January 26 attempt, don't write both the groups. You have very less time. Hardly 50 days time is there. 50 days after holidays and all, you will get 50 days of time. So plan to write only one group, either group 1 or group 2. If you cleared one group, okay, second group you will prepare. If you do not clear both the groups, first please prepare only one group for January 26 exams. Second, prepare proper revision plan. Daily, uh, schedule. You are writing only 3 papers. Daily you need to study minimum 8 to 10 hours. So in these 50 days, you should revise that particular group for at least 2 times. So revision 1, 25 days. Revision 2, 15 days. So 40 days. For 40 days, prepare revision plan. In the morning, you should start preparing only theory paper because your mind will be fresh. And if you prepare theory paper, high chances you can absorb the concept. Afterwards, you can do practical papers because in the afternoon also, if you are doing problems, you will not get sleep. Okay. So prepare proper revision plan. See, there are multiple faculties who are giving revision plans. Ultimately, what is the revision plan that you prepare for yourself that will work for you the best? So analyze in which subject you are good at, in which subject you are not good at. Okay, where in which subject you wanted to improve, allocate more time for that subject. If you are good at some subject, please allocate less time. Likewise, prepare your own schedule. Many people are asking me, sir, is it advisable to write exams? My personal opinion, once you prepare, after completion of every chapter, in that chapter, many questions will be there. Pick 3 to 4 questions on your own and start doing writing practice because you have less time. Like when will you prepare, when will you write exams? It's all going to get messed up. Instead, write one mock exam. One mock exam is must before the examination. See, you are preparing the revision plan, right? First revision plan is for 25 days. After completion of 25 days, first revision plan, write one mock exam. You will understand how your first revision went. After writing the mock exam, then accordingly prepare your second revision plan and start studying for the examination. So two things, whenever you sit for preparation, at that time only, after completion of each chapter, 3 questions per chapter, do writing practice on your own. So their first writing practice will happen and after first revision, you are going to write one mock exam. When you write mock exam, second writing practice will also happen and I feel that is sufficient. Next. I see many students following multiple materials. My dear my dear students, it is my sincere request, sincere advice. Don't follow multiple other materials. I am not saying follow my material, any other material you follow. Follow one other material plus ICA study material. Okay. Don't follow multiple materials because it's not going to help you out. You will get confused if you read multiple other materials. Stick to one other material along with that ICA study material. Next, fifth point. From now onwards, I don't know whether you prepared revision test papers, mock test papers and model test papers. Trust me students, before you go to January 26 examinations, mandatorily you should do RTP, MTP and model test papers. Model test papers and past exam question papers. So please do this and go to the examination because whenever you do these RTPs, MTPs, model test papers and past exam question papers, that builds a lot of confidence to you. Whenever you prepare all this, like you will understand what are ICA standards and accordingly if you go to the examination, like you will not feel scared. For the first time if you are writing public exam, it scares you like anything because you are not habituated to ICA standard. But once you prepare all this, you are already habituated to ICA standards. So these 5 things keep in your mind and prepare accordingly. Trust me, you will definitely succeed. See, first of all, you should prepare your mind to get succeed in examinations. First of all, you should be mentally successful. You should aim. Like you should prepare to win. Okay. It's win, like winning automatically will not come. Do you have done enough hard work, enough preparation to win? Only if you have done enough preparation to win, then only you will win. Okay, so what matters most is the process. So you, every day you are preparing to get succeeded in final exams. So every day you should prepare yourself to succeed in CA exams. Likewise, you will succeed in CA exams. Okay, and one more thing, I teach direct taxation. For CA final direct taxation, marathons are already available in my channel. You can check marathons. January 2026 amendments video I am going to do very soon. Next, for CA Inter students, tomorrow only I am going to upload marathon part 1 and day after tomorrow I will upload marathon part 2. Okay. So if you have any doubts or if you want any further clarification, please feel free to reach out to me. My mobile number is available 93917 05733. You can reach out to me over WhatsApp or you can call me in my free time. I will speak with you. So that I wish you all the very best. Thank you.